Welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of sweet samosa. It is made of coconut stuffing, crunchy on the outside, bubbly warm and a slurry of sweet inside. So please note down the ingredients and let's get started. Take one coconut and remove its skin. After removing the skin, chop them and add it into a jar. We need to grind them coarsely. So here I have grind my coconut coarsely, not very fine. Add it into a bowl. Add in a cup of sugar. I have used a 50-50 ratio of sugar and coconut. You can adjust according to your choice and taste. Now in a fry pan, add a teaspoon of ghee. In goes our coconut and sugar. Mix it well, cover and cook for 15 minutes. It will leave some water. Sugar will melt. And let it cook with sugar syrup for 10 to 15 minutes. Switch off the flame when the water dries completely. Now moving towards the pastry, we'll take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, little butter or ghee. Rub it well. Use your fingertips and whole palm to mix the butter or ghee into the flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. Add water, a few tablespoons of water at a time. Use your hand to knead dough until it forms a soft dough. Take a small portion out of the dough and begin to roll them out into circle. Roll a tiny puri. As thin as possible. Now fill the stuffing. And fold the samosa as shown. Seal it up with the fingertips. Prepare the rest same way. Now heat oil in a fry pan and fry the samosa on medium heat. Until it turns golden and crispy. These samosas have a tendency to harden upon cooling due to the sugar inside the dough. Therefore, these are best served immediately. Stuffings left after making samosas, so we'll use to make it a laddoo. You can also add chopped dry fruits into the stuffing to make a better laddoo. We can store both the laddoos and samosas for weeks in an airtight container. So please try out my recipe and give me your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching CookTube Ronak.